Hello, Bentli Blaze here with Zuk Fitness, and I'm going to lead you in one of my favorite breathing exercises. This breathing meditation should be done first thing upon arising at the beginning of your day. It helps reset your adrenal glands so that you don't go throughout your day in a fight or flight mode. We're going to start by bringing attention to your space, setting the intention that we're going to be calm and relaxed and energized. This is going to be a 3-1-5 count exercise. So we will begin by inhaling at the count of 3, hold for 1 second, and then exhale for a count of 5. You'll continue to do this exercise and then breathe naturally until it feels right for you. I generally do about 5 breathing exercises myself, sometimes longer if necessary. Take a deep breath and exhale. We're going to inhale, 2, 3, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Inhale, 2, 3, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And begin to breathe naturally, doing it over and over again until you feel you are done. As you do it more and more, you will more than likely go for longer periods of time. Thank you for joining for this breathing exercise. I hope you have a wonderful day.